Hi guys, good morning, good evening. So this is another quick demo for the Gamefowl app that I'm currently developing. This time, this is in the mobile device. So let's get into it. Go to the app, and the dashboard will display this widget, or uh, it doesn't have any data right now because we need to add some. So it's the system or the application will determine that there's no fowl or breeding, and it will suggest that we add them. So let's create one. This is a brood cock. We name it for the sake of the demo as, and then save it, save and add, and hatch hen, bird hen. Save it. So I think we're good now. As you can see, the cock hen has data like 50% cock, 50% hen. So if we add another like hen, the pulse, let's add a hen, sweater, full hen, brood hen, and this is BBB. So if you go to the dashboard, it says 1 cock to hen, 33 cock, 67% hen. That is for this season. So let's create a breeding. This is for the season. Let's put the pen one, and this one, and egg marking is like it's anything you use in actual for the egg and check marking. I believe it's useful when you're collecting egg and you know which pen they came. So add another one. This is the first pair, and on pen 2. If we try to use the same, they should display a warning. Random already has an active reading, so we need to change this and save it. So here we go. Okay, let's go back to the breeding. Let's go to the breeding, and we will see that we have two pair. So this is the first pair, second pair. This is the first. Let's go first here. So this is the breeding page. Before we add offspring, we need to set the breeding information for the eggs. Let's say we have 10. There's fertile 8, and we were able to hatch 7. So it means we can only add 7 offspring here or less. Brood cock, battlecock. Save. So full calves or full hatch, 1 half calves or 1 half hatch. Let's say a brood cock, and it's and a brood hen. So we now have 3 offspring, and it is reflected in the number of cocks and hen. So how about the pit performance? We can only add pit history or pit information using the battlecock. So this is a battlecock, and on its page there's a pit history where we can add pit record. So let's say this is a hack pipe, and win, it's a win. And that's another one, derby, and another win, and then last one. Circuit, another win. So we go back to the bidding page and refresh it. It will display the bid performance, 3 win, no lose, no draw. Let's go to the biddings list, and yeah, let's click all. So looking at the first pair, this one, so hatchability 80%, fertility 80%, hatchability 88, cock hen ratio 2 cock 1 hen, and a 3 win. So if we go to the dashboard, it's actually what it will display also, because that's the current, I mean, that's for all. So it's the first pair has data. So let's go to the second pair. Oh, not pen, but reading. This is the second pairing. Let's say for the X, let's say it hatch 5, fertilized 5, and it hatch 4. So it means we can add 4, only add 4. Spring, battlecock, and 4 brood yolk, and A, B, C. Oh, already exists. So my bad. D, D, D. And another brood hen. D, D, E, E. So it says hatch 4. If we try to add 1, yeah, we will not be able to do that, I assume. See, bird count will exceed number of hatch, so that prevent us from exceeding the number of hatch. But if we want to, now let's say set this to 5, we will be able to add the pip. Yeah, there we go. And if we go to the breedings page, see that fertility is 100, hatchability 100, cock 2 cock, 3 hen, and I forgot the pit. So let's go back and select the brood cock, not this brood cock, battle cock, and add let's say it 1.5 white. Save it. So refresh it, and the bottom 1 win, and then on the breedings we have 1 win, and if we go see this 1 win and 3, the dashboard should display 4, I believe. There it is. So we can see that the dashboard display the overall for that current season. And for the sake of demo, we're going to create another season 21, season 21, and this is for 2021 up to 2022. We can specify that this is not a full year, but we can specify like it should be until January, February, March, April. So it's April there. Oh, my bad. April 30 set. So there it is. And save it. You now have to season. Okay, wait, I think this is not correct. 2021 to 2022. Okay, anyway, just for the demo. Oops, sorry. Okay. So season 21 now display, but if we click that, there's no data. Let's create powers for that. So we need to set this to season 21. Set paradise weather pool cock brood cock, and this is 666 7, and then for 2021 so 1 port and Hodge 3 port, and doesn't matter, it's just a demo, but it should be cock hen, brood hen, and it's so if we go to the dashboard, we have 1 hen, 1 cock. So let's go to the breedings. Let's select season 21, search, of course first name. Let's create for season 21, pen 2, 6621. The 21 is the year of the birth date. So it's useful when you're trying to figure out the birth date of a given file. 7. Okay, this star should be fall between the season that you selected, so it should be 21. And if we save it, it should be good now. Yep. As usual, set the breeding. Let's say let's say we have three, and that's 3. Perfect. And battlecock. 777. 888. Yep. So it's now good. So we go here to the breeding. We will find one. And how many pitch record? I forgot. So let's add battlecock. Let's say Inabulus. So if we refresh this one win. Close this, the breeding. We have 1 win. So go to the dashboard. Okay, I think I have a issue with the pit, but probably it's a bug. So if we switch now to the different season, you can see how each season performs well than the other, and you can also see that in the season. So if we click season 1, yep, okay, I have a bug there. So now in the dashboard, I think it's usable. It's like you can visualize the current season or any specific season. And by the way, I'm using Google Chrome to browse the site. The URL is in the gamefowlpro.com, but it can also be viewed using your Android as a native app. Yeah, if you click this ellipsis and click the Open Gamefowl Pro, it will open the native version, and it's basically the same. uh, it's function the same. It's more on like, it is more native, as we call it, more on uh, close to the Android app look and feel. So, and I think this also can build in landscape. So as you can see here, you can use this in the landscape view. Yeah, I think that's it. And thank you.